Guys, how do you get a high backflip? Because I know a lot of you guys can do a backflip, but your backflip looks like it's not really perfect. So today, I want you guys to be working on your backflip, and I'm gonna give you tips that will make sure that your backflip is as perfect as mine. Because you just saw what I did. So I'm gonna show you how you can get explosive legs. Yeah, I got trampolines down here, so I'm gonna show you how you can get that too. Okay. And the first one is basic exercises that I do. So I'm assuming at this point you can already do a backflip. Maybe it's not that perfect, but at least you can manage to flip upside down and land back on your feet. Okay? So, this tutorial is not how to do a backflip. It's how to make your backflip go higher and to make it perfect, because a lot of guys can do a backflip, but if I just come randomly to you and tell you, can you do a backflip for me, you're going to start looking for some mattresses so that you can land safe. So I'm going to show you how you can do your backflip anywhere. Yeah? And the first thing is to get a concrete ground like this or not. I'm just joking. This is the last place you want to practice your flips. Okay? You have to make sure that you're practicing maybe at the grass or you have some mats. Yeah, my backflip is perfect so far, but as you can see, I still have my pads. As you can see, I'm safe. So look for somewhere safe. I'm just doing this because I've done this for a long time, so it's kind of easy for me. So let's just get into the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's go. Remember to comment, share, like, everything you can do to the video and learn something. Yeah, so let's just start. So as I said, I'm assuming you can already do a backflip. So the exercises I'm going to show you include backflips right there. Yeah? And the best thing when you want to get a high backflip is to make sure that you are working out your legs. So because they're the ones that will make sure that your backflip is high, because they carry you, they explode you up. Yeah? Make sure that you flip upside down and land safe. Yeah? So the first exercise is that you're just going to do a normal backflip, but instead of landing just straight, you're going to go into a squat position. Okay? So you do a backflip, then rather than just landing safely, we just go down right here and squat. Then we're going to do a backflip from here. Yeah? Rather than just standing straight and doing a backflip. I'm gonna demonstrate that. So this is what I mean. So you do a backflip, don't stand straight, just go straight into the squat position. Then do another backflip from here. Then you have to repeat that exercise like 50 times. It's enough. After you've done it enough times, you'll start seeing a change in your backflip, and your backflip is going to become high. So let me demonstrate what I'm saying. So you do a backflip, then squat, do a backflip. So what that does is it makes sure that it's working out your legs to make them explosive rather than just landing straight. So you do a backflip, go to a squat, come back and do a backflip from here. Yeah? So just make sure you are repeating that like maybe 10 times a day, and aim at maybe doing 100. Yeah? Not in a day. Yeah, in just that period of time when you're working on how to get a high backflip. I'm gonna do 2 more just to make sure that you get it correctly, okay? Yeah, so this is what I mean. Yeah, if you do that enough time, your backflip is going to look like that of Superman or mine in a few period of time. The next one is to make sure that when you're doing a backflip, you first have to do something we call setting. So you don't just move backward, you kind of stand straight, lift your chest, then flip, okay? You don't just want to do like this. That's not how you get a backflip. That's just standing upside down and then flipping and standing, but you don't get a high backflip, yeah? Because it's kind of simple and easy to understand, because if I jump high, then turn, I'm going to have enough time to release my leg and land in a straight position. But if I just move backwards, and then I'll have a hard time rotating and getting to stand straight in my flip. So what I like doing is assuming I'm jumping fast and lifting my chest as high as I could, then when I'm at that point where now I can't jump anymore, that's where I turn, okay? Because a lot of people just do like this. Okay, I'm gonna show a difference, what you want to do and what you don't want to do. So this is the wrong way to do a backflip. Don't do like this. Don't do that. That's the ugliest backflip you can do. So try to make sure that you are at least jumping first, then flipping, okay? So that's a don't do that, and this is how you should do it. So I said straight first, then turn, then run. So kind of something like this. Okay? So now you can see my chest is up here, and then I'm turning, then landing later, rather than just flipping like this. Yeah. So that's one of the biggest enemy of you having a high backflip. Yeah. So remember what we said, do this exercise, squat, then jump into a backflip. Then remember when you're doing a backflip, make sure you set first, then rotate, okay? You don't want just to leap like this, yeah? And then the other exercise is to make sure that you're combining maybe 2 backflips in a row, and assuming the first one just go low, the second one you can shoot straight up. When you do a couple of those, now a single backflip is going to be easy because you are doing them in a row and you're having a difficult time. So you'll get an easy time doing one backflip. Yeah, it's like I tell you, do 30 push-ups. And you do them and you struggle and it's hard, but you finish. So when I tell you to do 5 push-ups, it's going to be super easy for you and you'll get it like nothing. So let me do like 2 backflips in a row. And then what you want to do is now keep on adding them in a row, doing them in a row. Now when you're doing a single backflip, it's going to be super easy for you. Yeah. So let me do 2, and then you can do more and more. So you can do more. It's just that I don't have enough space here, but you can do more. Yeah, you can do like 5 in a row, 10, so that one backflip is going to be super easy for you. Yeah, so that is it, guys, for how you can get a high backflip. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you and tell you what you are missing. And you can even submit your backflip if you have a shitty backflip or your backflip doesn't look good, or any other flip. You can drop them on my Instagram. My Instagram is at kid_quad. You can drop them there and then we can discuss on how we can work on your backflip. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Until next time.